Hi, I'm Molly Linz, Product Manager for DeWalt, and today we're introducing the newest green rotary laser with the automatic beam finding remote control detector. The laser unit comes with some basic controls that you can access from the keypad, but your remote control detector will have all these controls and more. I'll be highlighting some important features of the laser in this video, but more details can be found in the quick start guide included in each kit. This premium rotary laser is engineered for exceptional accuracy, delivering plus or minus a 1/16 of an inch precision at 100 feet and a maximum detector range of up to 2,000 feet in diameter using our remote control detector. With both upward and downward plumb spots, you can confidently tackle the vast majority of job site layout tasks. The remote control detector features an automatic beam find function, helping to make the alignment of studs, walls, and control points an efficient one-person operation. Using either the remote control detector or the controls on the laser unit, you can adjust the laser beam's RPM. The 1200 RPM setting is used for the beam find feature, while slower RPMs are designed to enhance beam visibility depending on ambient lighting conditions. The laser can also be set to sweep, scan, chalk line mode, projecting the beam only onto the area you're working on rather than rotating throughout the entire room. This is particularly useful in environments with multiple trades, as it helps to prevent the laser beam from interfering with their workspace. By pressing the left or right arrow on your remote control detector, you can move the sweep to your desired location. When used in horizontal position, the laser beam can be sloped up to plus or minus 12 degrees, making it ideal for building ramps, stairways, and pipe layouts. Additionally, the laser product includes a bump detect mode. If the unit is unintentionally bumped or dropped, it will cease operation and display an alert on the remote control screen, indicating that it is no longer properly aligned. This unit comes in a base kit or a framer kit that contains the ceiling bracket and target card. Each kit is equipped with a DeWalt 20-volt max battery, a charger, detector, clamp, and a charging cord for your remote control detector, so you can get to work straight out of the box. The 20-volt max XR green rotary laser with beam find.